Hi friends, welcome back to another video of my channel. So today in this video I am going to unbox one of the musical keyboard synthesizer stand from Amazon, and I will give all the description of this keyboard stand. So let's start unboxing. Stand is from KADANCE. As you can see, this is a foldable stand. So let's open it and see. So these are the things which we got with this. Let's see first what we got with this stand. So these are the attachments and screws what we need to put. We got one Allen key also to tighten the screw. Okay, so we have, these are the upper supports and these are the lower supports which we need to fit at the feet of the stand. This will act as feet and this will be act as the holding arms. This is how it looks. It's made of hollow aluminum, I guess. Here we have the angles. So first thing, we need to take this stand and we have to go a little bit back. We have to make sure that we get the hole, this hole outside of this angle, so we can put this knob and tighten it, because we have a spring here, so it will act as a spring lock. So we will just unscrew all these things, this nut and the big knob. Then what we need to do, we need to put this lock, screw lock with the spring through this hole, and we have to keep it here. Okay, so this will act as a spring lock, as you can see. So now what we need to do, we need to put the small screw here by holding this one here, so it won't get out from here, and we need to put this knob also with this one. Fine. Now what we need to do, we have to bring it back like this. Open this thing in the correct manner. See how. Yes, able to see? This is how it is going to work. So if I want it to be different angle, so we need to do like this, and it will, the lock will come into the next hole and it will lock the whole stand. This is how we are going to assemble the lock into this stand. Now I will be assembling the feet. These are the two feet we need to put it. So let's start getting one of these two screws, and the bigger ones compared to this thing. See, as you can see, this is long and this is short. So this will be the foot and this will be the top rest. So now we can see there is, the holes are a little bit bigger on this side and a little bit smaller on this side. So we will keep the bigger side outside straight, and we need to place the screws here, and we will do the same thing for this one also. We got both of them in place. This Allen key to tighten this further, like this. Now we will go for the second one. It will be easier for me to put them down. Our stand legs got assembled, as you can see. Going down. And we can just keep it like this. It's about 2.5 kgs. So as you can see, friends, that this is one of the angle where you can put the keyboard on this stand. This is the minimum height. This is the maximum height of this stand. Yes, this is the maximum height of this stand.